Roads that repair themselves? You heard that right. Self-healing roads are real. These roads use special materials that can fix cracks on their own. When tiny cracks appear, the magic happens. Microcapsules filled with healing agents break open, sealing the cracks instantly. This not only extends the life of the road, but also cuts down on expensive repairs. Think about it. Fewer potholes and smoother rides. Engineers are even working on roads that can generate electricity. So next time you're cruising smoothly, you might just be driving on a self-healing road. Pretty cool, huh? Stay tuned for more mind-blowing tech.